Hey y'all, welcome to ESLP's Leave No Trace YouTube channel. My name is Sean, and today I will be discussing worm bins and vermicompost. These are ways to reduce your personal waste, and the worm castings are very great for your garden, and I'll show you how to use them too. Right now I am in the Colleges 9 and 10 community garden, and we'll be working today with this prefabricated worm bin right here. I won't go into too much detail on how to set one up, but essentially you add green waste, I'll be adding this peach today, and other vegetable scraps, and also adding a source of carbon, which could be dried leaves or newspaper. In ideal conditions, worms can eat their own body weight in food per day. So 1 pound of worms equates to about 1 pound of food waste, but here at the Colleges 9 and 10 community garden, we do a lot less and everything works out fine. There are many methods of harvesting a worm bin. Worms are afraid of light, so one way to do it is to use a bright light, such as the sun, or a bright LED light to scare them deep and then scrape off the top so that you can collect the worm castings without worms in them. This could be pretty labor intensive and also time intensive, so there's other methods too. You could use screens and sift out the worms. We tried that with these and didn't really work out too well. I ended up just picking worms out by hand, and that worked out pretty well since we have a pretty small system right here. Worm castings are known to be the most potent organic fertilizer in the world, and they provide a number of benefits such as plant growth, soil aeration, moisture retention, natural pest resistance, and protection from disease. Castings have a unique combination of helpful enzymes and positive bacterial activity which stimulate healthy growth in plants. Castings are rich in nutrients such as magnesium, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and available nitrates for plants to absorb. Worm castings have many applications in the home garden. Basically, anywhere you want a plant to grow bigger, faster, and healthier, worm castings can help you out. There are 3 main methods of use. You can either use it as a side dressing by putting a small amount, 1 to 2 ounces approximately, just on the base of the plants. You could mix it directly into the soil, or you could make worm tea, which is basically soaking the castings in water and then watering the plants with that fortified water. You can also mix the worm castings in sand, and it makes a great seed starting material. Worm bins help reduce your personal waste, and they take materials that normally would be in the landfill, which would off gas in an anaerobic condition and turn into methane, which is bad for the environment, and it also helps return the nutrients of the food back to the earth. As you can see, we have lots of different things in here. We have the newspaper as our carbon source. We have some strawberries that got eaten by some squirrels and rabbits, and we also have some pears in there too. I'll be adding a peach. You could go ahead and cut this up and just place it inside, or what I'll probably do is just smash it between maybe 2 pieces of wood and then add that into here. You want to make small pieces. You know when your worm castings are ready to harvest when the worms in the bin start reducing in size and numbers, and once the worm castings themselves look pretty uniform in texture and color. Thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video, and I hope this helps you out with your worm bins. Thank you. Have a good day.